Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm doing a photo shoot session with my friend Funke Babskupeji at a garden in Ikoyi. That's the celebrant wearing the dress, and that's the photographer, Mr. Reze, taking the pictures. Consider the lighten and enjoy. Say hello.
Hi, how you doing? Yeah, Mama Togo is on the line. Yeah, what's up, man? I give you how you want, man. Talk. Come to TV with and make your hair look good.
So the shoot is an outdoor shoot, and we have like a garden setting. So it's a natural element, sunlight, and it's the reason on the photo. So she's posing here. It's another beautiful pose. She's feeling herself. We had so much fun doing this. This is her 40th. Can you believe she's 40? She doesn't even look 40. So, but hey. So she's having fun. We're all having fun. Yes. So I decided to add some behind the scene. Outdoor shoot wasn't as fantastic as it thought it was going to be because it was sunny, so you had to come in, do touch up, which was sweaty, so we had to redab. But all in all, we got it under control. She looks like Naomi Campbell here. So we got it under control. So this is another one we did outside. The props, like I said, I like the outdoor shoot. It's different from the regular. She's having fun. The flowers, nature. By the way, this garden is a lovely garden. Like, you can use it for events. I think it's RF garden. I'll put the address below. You can use it for events, parties, and all that. And you can buy flower from them. Something is burning. So they have succulent plants. You're a plant lover, you need to visit this place. We have succulent plants. We have orchids. These are orchids, beautiful, expensive but beautiful. So they have other different kind of snake plants. Affordable, I think like 5K, 3K. We have them in different sizes and you can pick up. So I really, really had fun. So these are some of the final pictures So it's my own birthday as well. My birthday is May 7th. So I actually went to take a picture, like a proper photo shoot. So I got my friend or go to do my makeup, and I didn't want to do my makeup myself. I just wanted to get that pampered feel. So she did my makeup, and it looked really nice. Wasn't bad. Had fun doing this shoot. So it felt different to be at the receiving end. I usually am the one doing the most makeup of you, and now they are doing the makeup for me. And I was just like, this is what I want, this is what I want, and she delivered on it. Enjoy. Hey guys, so this is the last makeup look. My makeup artist today is Udeni. Yeah, we can see her. The light, she's actually, in front of the light. She did a fantastic job. I really love my makeup. So I'm going to put the pictures, just like the pictures, and then my photographer, falling. So that's, oh my god, it's blushing. It's camera shy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification button, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.